So hello guys, welcome to Web of Power Vlogs. Today we are going to unbox the Godiva Belgium chocolate. You can see the packaging from front side, and this is the packaging from the back side. Over here dual tone color is used. Again over here you can see on the packaging they have written 70% cocoa dark chocolate. It contains 32 grams net weight. Green dot again is given over here. You can see I have bought this chocolate for 199 from the nearest store. It is available on the online portal like Blinkit, Instamart, etc. So you can see the ingredients over here. So on the bar they have also given this keep at under 12 to 18 degrees Celsius. So it will not be melted. So now let's unbox and let's check what is inside. So you can see the dark chocolate bar of Godiva. On the up of the bar they have given the branding. You can see 4 pieces they have given total. Back side is plain. So let me know how was the video. Till then, thank you so much. We'll meet in the next upcoming video of Web of Power Vlogs. Till then, thank you so much.